In the heart of South Asia's forests, scrublands, and farmlands lives one of nature's most adaptable reptiles, the Indian monitor lizard. Known scientifically as Varanus bengalensis, this creature is both feared and admired. With a body length of up to 175 centimeters and weighing anywhere between 7 to 15 kilograms, the Indian monitor is a true giant among lizards. Its tough, scaly skin and muscular tail make it look like a prehistoric survivor, and in many ways, it is. Like snakes, it uses a forked tongue and a vomeronasal organ in the mouth to smell the environment. This allows it to detect prey even when it's hidden underground. The Indian monitor is an opportunistic hunter. From insects, frogs, snakes, and rodents to birds and their eggs, almost nothing escapes its appetite. It has even been observed raiding poultry farms, earning it a reputation as a cunning egg thief. The Indian monitor lizard is often an unwelcome guest in the bird world. Birds like crows and Mynas fiercely mob this reptile whenever it is spotted, sounding alarms and diving at it to drive it away. To them, the monitor is a dangerous predator, always on the lookout for eggs and chicks. Yet, despite this hostility, the Indian monitor lizard has a calm side to its life. It is frequently seen basking in the sun, lying motionless on open ground or rocks. This behavior helps the cold-blooded reptile regulate its body temperature, giving it the energy it needs to hunt and survive. On land, it may appear sluggish, but when alarmed, it can sprint at surprising speeds. If threatened, it hisses, inflates its body, lashes its tail, and may even deliver a painful bite with its sharp teeth. Though heavy-bodied, it is an excellent climber, with sharp claws and strong limbs. It can scale trees with ease to raid nests. Its tail, long and whip-like, serves as both a balancing tool and a powerful defensive weapon. In folklore, monitor lizards have long fascinated humans. Some ancient warriors tied ropes to their bodies, using their climbing skills to scale fort walls. Today, they play a vital role in the ecosystem, controlling rodent and insect populations naturally. Breeding takes place during the monsoon. Females lay 20 to 30 eggs in deep burrows or inside termite mounds. These natural incubators provide warmth and protection until the young hatch. Sadly, in Pakistan, Indian monitor lizards face growing threats from habitat destruction, urban expansion, and hunting. In some rural areas, they are killed due to myths or for their skin and oil, believed to have medicinal value. Though not widely protected or studied here, they play an important ecological role, keeping rodent and insect populations in check. Their decline would be yet another warning of how fragile our natural biodiversity truly is. Adaptable, resilient, and ancient in lineage, the Indian monitor lizard is not just a reptile. It is a living link to our planet's prehistoric past, a true survivor of the wild.